I've been on a sailboat before. Over here.
You like sitting here? Are we on the way?
Good afternoon, visitors. That one long and two short that you just heard is known as the Captain's Salute. The vessel initiates the greeting with one long blast followed by two short, and the bridge responds with the same thing. Here we have the ocean-going vessel Nunalik, built as the Beluga Ferry in 2009 by a Chinese shipyard. She measures 453 feet in length, 68 feet in width, and 36 feet in depth. She's powered by a 5,400 horsepower, 6-cylinder Wärtsilä diesel engine, which gives her a top speed of 14 knots, or about 16 miles per hour. She's also equipped with a bow thruster to aid her maneuverability in port. The Nunalik has 2 hatches on her deck, which open into 2 cargo holds located below deck, and she has a maximum carrying capacity of 12,800 tons. If you see any crew on deck, make sure to give them a big wave and wish them a safe voyage. Above her deck are 2 cranes capable of carrying 200 tons each, which allow her to unload or load general cargo like containers, project equipment, and other cargo. She is owned and operated by Nunavut Eastern Arctic Shipping of Montreal, Quebec, Canada. She is registered in the Netherlands. The registered country isn't necessarily where the ship or crew are from, but whose laws the ship or crew follow. The Nunalik was originally with the Beluga Shipping Company, and she moved a few times before being bought by her current owner in 2017. She is now on her way up to Thunder Bay in northern Lake Superior, where she's likely going to load grain products. She came in with general project equipment, which has since been unloaded, and now she's on her way to Thunder Bay. Once again, that was the Nunalik, built in 2009, measuring 453 feet in length, and she unloaded project equipment, and she's now on the way to Thunder Bay.